Welcome to the Healthy Pantry, your daily dose of nutritional knowledge and wellness inspiration. We are delighted to have you here. In today's video, we're diving deep into the magnificent world of hibiscus and its incredible array of health benefits. Hibiscus is a flowering plant known for its vibrant trumpet-shaped flowers. It is commonly used to make herbal tea, known as hibiscus tea. The plant offers several potential health benefits due to its rich nutrient and phytochemical content. From its stunning, colorful blooms to its potential to enhance our well-being, hibiscus is truly a remarkable plant. In this video, we'll be exploring the numerous ways hibiscus can positively impact your health, from its rich antioxidant content to its potential to support heart health, and so much more. So, whether you're a longtime fan or new to the world of hibiscus, you're in for a treat. Grab a comfy seat and join us on this journey as we uncover the extraordinary health benefits of hibiscus. First and foremost, hibiscus contains natural compounds, such as anthocyanins and polyphenols, that may help relax and dilate blood vessels. This can lead to improved blood flow and reduced resistance in the arteries, which ultimately lowers blood pressure. Hibiscus has diuretic properties, meaning it can increase urine production. This can help reduce the volume of blood circulating through the blood vessels, leading to a decrease in blood pressure. Hibiscus is rich in antioxidants, which help combat oxidative stress and inflammation in the body. Chronic inflammation and oxidative stress can contribute to high blood pressure, so reducing these factors may lead to lower blood pressure levels. The polyphenols found in hibiscus have been linked to various health benefits, including potential blood pressure reduction. They help improve the function of the inner lining of blood vessels, known as endothelium, which plays a key role in regulating blood pressure. Hibiscus tea is a natural and herbal alternative for individuals looking to manage their blood pressure. It is generally well tolerated and lacks the side effects associated with some prescription blood pressure medications. What's more, due to its blood pressure lowering properties and antioxidant content, hibiscus may contribute to heart health by reducing the risk of heart disease and improving overall cardiovascular function. Hibiscus may help lower LDL cholesterol levels, which is beneficial for heart health. The high levels of antioxidants and soluble fiber in hibiscus contribute to this effect. Additionally, hibiscus tea is naturally low in calories, making it a good alternative to sugary beverages that can contribute to excess calorie intake. Hibiscus has diuretic properties, which means it can increase urine production. This may help reduce water retention and bloating, contributing to a feeling of lightness. Some studies suggest that hibiscus may have a modest effect on metabolism. While not a substitute for regular exercise and a balanced diet, a slightly boosted metabolism can aid in calorie burning. Staying well hydrated is important for overall health and can contribute to feelings of fullness. Hibiscus tea is a refreshing and hydrating option that can be a part of a balanced diet. Some people find that the tart flavor of hibiscus tea can help satisfy cravings for sweets or other high-calorie snacks, making it a useful tool for those looking to manage their appetite. Hibiscus tea is a caffeine-free alternative to other weight management beverages. This can be particularly beneficial for individuals looking to reduce their caffeine intake. Sipping on hibiscus tea can encourage mindful eating practices. Taking the time to enjoy a warm, flavorful beverage can help create a sense of satisfaction and prevent mindless snacking. Moreover, some studies suggest that hibiscus may have protective effects on the liver. It may help prevent liver damage and improve liver function. If you find this video helpful and informative, please support the Healthy Pantry channel by leaving your comment below, liking this video, and subscribing for more daily health and nutrition tips. But wait, there is more. Hibiscus contains a moderate amount of dietary fiber. Fiber is essential for maintaining a healthy digestive system as it adds bulk to stool, promotes regular bowel movements, and helps prevent constipation. Due to its natural diuretic properties, hibiscus can have a mild laxative effect. This may help alleviate occasional constipation and promote regularity in bowel movements. Some research suggests that the antioxidants in hibiscus may have prebiotic properties. Prebiotics provide nourishment for beneficial gut bacteria, which play a key role in maintaining a balanced and healthy digestive system. Hibiscus tea may help reduce bloating and discomfort in the digestive tract. Its mild diuretic effect can help eliminate excess water and reduce feelings of fullness or bloating. Some people find that hibiscus tea can have a soothing effect on the digestive system, helping to calm mild stomach discomfort or indigestion. Lastly, Some studies suggest that hibiscus may help regulate menstrual cycles. It may have a balancing effect on hormonal levels, which can be particularly beneficial for individuals with irregular or unpredictable menstrual cycles. Hibiscus contains natural compounds such as flavonoids that may have mild analgesic, pain-relieving properties. This can potentially help alleviate menstrual cramps and discomfort. Hibiscus is believed to have astringent properties, which may help reduce heavy menstrual bleeding. While more research is needed in this area, some women have reported a positive impact on menstrual flow after incorporating hibiscus into their routine. Hibiscus is a source of iron, an essential mineral for women, especially during menstruation. Iron helps replenish the iron stores that may be lost through menstrual bleeding, preventing iron deficiency anemia. It's also a good source of vitamin C, which enhances iron absorption. Pairing hibiscus with iron-rich foods can help maximize the body's ability to absorb and utilize iron. Hibiscus is a natural and herbal alternative for individuals looking for additional support for menstrual health. It can be included as part of a holistic approach to menstrual well-being. There you have it, folks. The remarkable health benefits of hibiscus are truly something to marvel at. Now, as you embark on your journey to harness the power of hibiscus, remember that balance is the cornerstone of well-being. A diverse and nutrient-packed diet, coupled with a healthy lifestyle, forms the bedrock of a thriving, vibrant life. See you tomorrow in the next video. Thank you for joining us here at the Healthy Pantry. We hope you found the information shared valuable and inspiring. Remember, your health is a journey, and we're here to guide you every step of the way. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.